Gastropods, e.g. the garden snail. Kingdom Animalia. Family Mollusca. Class Gastropoda. Scientific name Helix aspersa. Common name garden snail. External features: it has a head, a ventral fold, and a body mass covered by a dorsal shell. Its head has two pairs of tentacles or stalks. Each long posterior tentacle has a pair of eyes for sight. The shorter anterior tentacles are used for feeling the surroundings. The mouth lies under the head and contains a spiky tongue called a radula, which is used for scraping the surface of leaves. Snails are called univalves because their shells are not divided into chambers. The shell protects the fleshy body from injury. The fleshy body is covered by a tissue called mantle, which secretes the shell. It has muscles called columella, which attach the fleshy body to the shell. The muscles help to pull the body into the shell when the snail senses danger. There is a genital paw on the right side of the head, which leads into the reproductive organs. Mode of life: 1. Feeding. They come out at night to feed. Therefore, a snail is a nocturnal animal. It moistens the surface of green leaves, scrapes these surfaces with its radula before passing the scraps into its digestive tract. Habitat: it is found in damp places, under leaves, tree stumps, and stones. At the beginning of the dry season, it withdraws into its shell by secreting mucus from its foot. The mucus hardens and thus prevents the snail from drying up. It stays like this until the rainy season. This is called hibernation. It has a slime gland below its mouth, which secretes mucus onto the ground, thus enabling it to glide easily on the ground with its ventral foot. Life cycle: snails are hermaphrodites. They have ovotestes. During mating, two snails come together and exchange sperms into the genital paw of each other. These sperms are later used to fertilize the eggs produced by the ovaries of each snail. The eggs later hatch into larvae and develop into adult snail. Problems caused by snails: the garden snail eats and causes great damage to crops and garden plants. An intermediate host to several parasites. The liver fluke, which lives in the liver of sheep and cattle, first develops in a small water snail called limnaea. The small worm, which lives in the bladder, causing the red water disease called bilharzia, first develops in a freshwater snail called Planorbis. Controlling diseases spread by snails: by spraying a molluscide on the water where snails live. Standing water should be drained. Feces and urine should be disposed of in deep toilets or latrines. Other examples of mollusks include clams, oysters, whelks, and mussel. These are called shellfish. Slug has a reduced shell. Octopus and squids do not have shells. Economic importance of mollusks includes use as food, example, Aschatina fulica, clams. Shell is used for decoration. Used for medicine by traditional doctors. Snails are used in making certain cosmetics or beauty products.